Welcome to Kids Wonderland.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Wonderland. Remember, last time we have already opened the Qpockets. Ashley, who is this?
Ariel.
Ariel. And who is this?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. And I'm your captain, Captain Wonder. And today we have the Wonder Kid Ashley.
Hello.
Hello. Wonder Kid Ashley is going to play with us today. So today we're going to open this, the Qpockets. Who is this again?
Rapunzel.
Princess Rapunzel. Okay, let's begin. Okay, Ashley, let's begin to open the Princess Rapunzel. Okay, let's have a look at the box first. See, looks really details. It looks really pretty.
Pretty as the prettiest.
Wow, can you see all the flowers?
This is her head.
Yes. So details. And how about the bottom part?
It's the same.
Is the same? Okay. And how about here?
This is Rapunzel face.
Rapunzel. Rapunzel looks so pretty. Okay. Let's cut it open. Okay, let's open it. Come. Remember guys, you Wonder Kids, when you are using your scissors,
Don't cut your hand.
you have to ask your parents to spot you or be careful when using your scissors. Cut it open. Let's see what is inside.
It's Rapunzel. It is red face.
Let's see what is inside. Let's pull it up. Wow. Okay, this time the head is connected with the bodies. So we just need to cut it open.
Okay.
Ashley is going to cut it open.
I'm gonna cut it into half. Cut it into half.
So let's get the stand out first. Okay, we put it next to Ariel.
Maybe the scissors need more cut. No, we don't need any more cutting, guys. Oh. I think we need more cutting. Whoa. We'll take the plastic out. Whoa.
Yeah! Looks so nice.
The head can move.
She looks so beautiful. Come, Ashley, do you want to combine it to the stand?
Sure. We're gonna have to poke it in. One is in already, but one is still out. Oh no.
Yay, we finally did it! Ashley, give me 5. Okay, see? The Princess Rapunzel. And who is this?
Ariel.
let's have a look at the. Let's look at Rapunzel. Can you see her hair, guys?
Yes, it's so pretty. And I think this is the clips. How can she put the flowers on it?
Yes, it's so beautiful. She tied her hair. So nice. Okay, let's have a look.
But look at her face.
She looks so beautiful.
These two princesses, they look really beautiful.
Hi guys! Hi Wonder Kids!
My friend is Ariel.
Okay, Ariel.
Hi guys. Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
Are you guys happy?
Yeah.
Do you like our video? Remember to share and like our video and subscribe to our videos. We will see you guys next time. Bye.